Hello student, myself Dr. V.R. Dangar, MBM Science and Home Science College, Rajkot. Let's start MO diagram of diatomic molecules. For example, what is first of let's see what is MO diagram, molecular orbital theory in this is MO diagram. Each line in the diagram represent an orbital. The electrons fill the molecular orbitals of molecules like electrons fills in atomic orbitals in atoms. Electrons go into the lowest energy orbital available to form lowest potential energy for the molecule. The maximum number of electrons in each molecular orbital is 2. Pauli's exclusion principle. One electron goes into orbitals of equal energy with parallel spin before they begin to pair up. It's Hund's rule. Now, in atomic orbitals mix together and make to form molecular orbitals can. So, what is bonding orbitals? Electrons in these orbitals help hold atoms nearer to each other. Anti-bonding orbitals, electrons in these orbitals push atoms apart from each other, and non-bonding electrons in these orbitals have no effect on bonding. In MO, molecular orbitals can be sigma or pi, be spread over multiple atoms. Paramagnetic. What is paramagnetic? A compound with any unpaired electrons is called paramagnetic. And what is diamagnetic? No unpaired electrons in a molecule or hemodiagram, so it is diamagnetic in nature. So these are terms are used in hemodiagram, molecular orbital energy level diagram. So what is bond order? The first of bond order, BO, is defined as one half the difference between the number of electrons present in the bonding and anti-bonding orbitals. It is bond order is equal to 1 half Nb minus Na. The rules discussed above regarding the stability of molecule can be restated in terms of bond order as follows. A positive bond order, it is Nb is greater than Na. Here what is Nb? Nb number of electrons in Bm, and Na means number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. A means ABMO and B means BMO, means stable molecules, while negative Nb is less than Na or 0 Nb is equal to Na. So bond order means unstable molecule. Nature of the bond. Integral bond order values. For example, 1, 2, 3 corresponding to single, double or triple bond respectively as studied in the classical concept. Bond length. The bond order between two atoms in a molecule may be taken as an approximate measure of the bond length. The bond length decreases as bond order increases. Magnetic nature. If all the molecular orbitals in the molecules are doubly occupied, the substance is diamagnetic, repelled by magnetic field. However, if one or more molecular orbitals are singly occupied, it is paramagnetic, attracted by the magnetic field. For example, O2 molecule. Now let's discuss about MO diagram of any homonuclear or heteronuclear diatomic molecule. So what is discuss the bond order, stability, and magnetic properties using MO, energy level diagram. So first molecule here is B2. B means boron. B in solid forms it is boron, but in B2 molecules exist in vapor phase. B2 molecule is present in vapor phase. So what is electronic configuration of boron? Here boron electronic configuration, its Z atomic number is 5. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So total number of electrons in single boron atom are there is 5 electrons. And second electronic configuration of boron atom is also 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Therefore the electronic configuration of boron atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Therefore in B2 molecule there will be 10 electrons, 5 electrons of first boron and second boron's 5. So total 10 electrons are in B2 molecules. Now let's see MO diagram of B2 molecular, or how we describe molecular orbital energy level diagram of any molecule. So here B2, for example, we taken B2 diatomic molecule, or draw MO diagram of B2 molecule. So here atomic orbitals and atomic orbitals when combination to 1s 1s. So here MO diagrams are generated. So in energy level diagram, so here E. So what is borons? Here one atom and another boron atom to form B2 molecules. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, one boron's atoms electronic configuration same 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So when 1s2 orbitals combine to give here sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. So here two BMOs, two MOs are formed, N by 2 BMOs, and always N by 2 ABMOs are formed. So here BMO means bonding molecular orbitals and ABMO means anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So here total number of electrons are in 1s2, 2 electrons, and another boron's 1s2, 2 electrons. So 4 electrons we fill here these MOs 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 electrons in 1s2 orbital. Same 2s2 here 2 and here 2. So total number of 4 electrons we fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, and in p orbitals to px there is in electronic configuration of boron is 1 electron and other borons is 1. So total number of electrons in p orbitals are 2. So here 1 in fill in pi to py, and here is pi to pz. So sigma 1s, here sigma star 1s, here sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi to py and pi to pz, and this is sigma star to px, and these 3 MOs are BMO and these 3 MOs are ABMO. Here U, V, W, X, Y, Z. What is here? They are Mulliken terms. So these are MO diagram of B2 molecules. So how many electrons are in B2 molecular? 2, 2, 2, 2 and 1 and 2. So total 10 electrons are in B2 molecules. So here sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, all are paired electrons, and here in pi 2py and one electron in pi 2pz. So here two unpaired electrons are available in B2 molecules, and this pi 2py and pi 2pz MO of B2 molecule. So what is order of energy? So sigma 1s is less than sigma star 1s, is less than sigma 2s, is less than sigma star 2s, is less than pi 2py, is equal to pi 2pz. Here pi 2py and pi 2pz both energy are equal. So here we can write is equal to. So 2py and 2pz's energy are same. So pi 2py is equal to pi 2pz, is less than sigma 2px, is less than pi star 2py, is equal to pi star 2pz, is less than sigma star 2px. So always higher energy in B2 molecules, there is sigma star 2px is higher energy and sigma 1s is lower energy. So molecular electronic configuration of B2 molecule, here we can write the here in B2 MO is equal to sigma 1s2. In sigma 1s there are 2 electrons, in sigma star 1s there are also 2 electrons, sigma 2s 2 electron, in sigma star 2s 2 electron, and pi 2py is equal to pi 2pz 1 electrons in each MO of 2py and 2pz. There are no electrons in sigma 2px. So these are 10 electrons we can write in molecular electronic configuration. So what is bond order? The bond order controlling the relative stability of diatomic molecule is called also bond order. The formula of bond order is equal to 1 half NB minus NA, where NB is equal to number of electrons in BMO and NA is equal to number of electrons in ABMO. So what is bond order of B2 molecular? In NB there are 6 electrons, and NA there are 4 electrons. So here 1 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Thus the value of bond order 1 indicates that there is sigma bond between two boron atoms in B2 molecules. It is boron single bond boron. So what is magnetic properties of B2 molecules? Moreover, as there are 2 unpaired electrons in pi 2py and pi 2pz MO of B2 molecule, therefore it is paramagnetic in nature. If B2 molecule is paramagnetic, so we can calculate magnetic momentum of B2 molecules. So formula here is mu is equal to under root n in bracket by n plus 2 Bm. Here Bm means Bohr magneton unit. So n, what is n? Here mu is equal to magnetic momentum and n is equal to number of unpaired electrons. So how many number of unpaired electrons in B2 MO? There are 2 unpaired electrons. One is in 2py and one in 2pz. So 2 unpaired electrons. So we put the n is equal to 2. So here 2 plus 2. So under root 8's value is 2.83 Bohr magneton. So here we can discuss about the MO diagram of B2. Same we discuss and calculate the bond order, stability and magnetic properties of also C2 molecules. So now let's discuss about C2 molecules. So C means here carbon. Carbon's electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p. Second carbon's 1s2 2s2 2p. So The electronic configuration of carbon atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Therefore, in situ molecule, there will be 12 electrons. So, let's see and let's draw how the MO diagram of C2 molecule. So, in valence shell of one carbon atom, there are 6 electrons. So, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2 means 2px here 1 electron, and in 2py also 1 electron. So, what is MO diagram? So, here total number of electrons are 2, 2, 2 and therefore 12 electrons are in MO diagram of C2 molecule. So, here total number of in P 1 carbon and here 2 and 2, total 4 electrons. So, we put the these orbitals 1, 2, 3, 4. So, in C2 molecules now all electrons are paired. So, here no any unpaired electrons are seen in C2's MO. So, now what is order of energy and how we can calculate the bond order and properties of magnetic properties of C2 molecules. So, order of energy also same we write as B2 molecules, and also we can write the electronic configuration here. C2MO is equal to sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2 and pi 2py2 is equal to pi 2pz2 and sigma 2px0. So, the bond order, what is bond order of C2 molecule? The number controlling the relative stability of diatomic molecule is called the bond order. So, bond order is equal to 1 half Nb minus Na, where Nb is equal to number of electrons in BMO and Na is equal to number of electrons in ABMO. So, what is bond order of C2 molecules? So, number of electrons in BMOs are 8 and number of ABMOs electrons are 4. So, 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So, thus the bond order value of 2 here, for example, so here mistake not 1, so here 2. So, bond order value 2 indicates that there is double bond between two carbon atoms in C2 molecule. So, C double bond C. So, same magnetic properties, moreover all as all the electrons in MO of B2 molecules are paired. Therefore, it is diamagnetic in nature. Thanks.